Right now, a quiet fracture is spreading through the American supply chain, and most people don't even see it happening. Grocery distributors are tightening bulk limits on essential staples. Regional warehouses are reporting 3 to 4 week replenishment delays. And anyone who remembers the 2020 shortages, the 2021 baby formula crisis, or the egg collapse afterward already knows how fast, fully stocked, can become completely empty. Experienced preppers operate differently. They never wait for headlines to announce shortages. They already know which products vanish first, so they buy calmly, quietly, and in bulk before panic buying wipes shelves clean and drives prices through the roof. In this video, we're breaking down the first essential items serious preppers secure before the next disruption arrives. Some choices will surprise you. And stay until the end, because the final 2 items are the first to disappear during almost every major supply event. Item 15. Apple cider vinegar. Most beginners underestimate it, but raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar works like 4 or 5 products combined. Its natural acidity gives it an exceptionally long shelf life compared with condiments that slowly degrade in storage. During disruptions, it becomes a survival multitool. It preserves vegetables when refrigeration fails, works as a diluted surface cleaner when commercial products disappear, extends food life through quick pickling, and supports gut health when diets deteriorate under stress. What most people miss is the supply chain angle. Commercial vinegar production relies heavily on acetic acid inputs tied to Southeast Asian and Chinese manufacturing networks that have already faced repeated disruptions. Prices are already climbing. Smart preppers buy the largest containers available and store at least 2 gallons per person for a 6-month period in a dark pantry while prices remain low. Item 14. Hard winter wheat berries. Not flour, whole wheat berries. That distinction matters enormously. Flour loses nutrition within 6 to 12 months, but sealed wheat berries stored with oxygen absorbers can remain viable for 25 to 30 years. You're not just storing bread. You're storing the long-term ability to make bread, pasta, crackers, and thickening agents entirely off-grid. The Black Sea corridor handles roughly 30% of the world's exported wheat and continues facing shipping disruptions and export restrictions. Retail flour prices react within weeks. Serious preppers buy bulk wheat berries and a hand-cranked grain mill together, creating a bread-making system that functions without electricity or modern supply chains. Item 13. Ghee. Beginners overlook it constantly. Ghee is clarified butter with the water and milk solids removed, making it dramatically more stable than regular butter. Stored properly, it lasts 12 to 24 months at room temperature and even longer refrigerated. 1 tablespoon delivers more than 100 calories of shelf-stable energy. Dairy supply chains are among the most fragile in the American food system because they depend heavily on refrigeration, transportation, fuel, and labor stability. When disruptions hit, refrigerated dairy disappears quickly. Ghee bypasses the cold chain problem completely. Buy it in bulk tins from restaurant suppliers or Indian wholesalers where prices are far lower than mainstream grocery stores nationwide today. Item 12. Iodized salt in bulk. Not a tiny canister, a 25 to 50 pound bag. Salt is not simply seasoning in a survival situation. It is a biological requirement and one of humanity's oldest preservation tools. Your body needs sodium for muscle function, hydration balance, and nerve activity, especially under stress. Salt also preserves meat and vegetables for long-term storage. America's food-grade salt supply depends on a limited number of mines and import routes that have already experienced regional shortages and freight-driven price spikes. Buy a 50-pound bag now, seal it away from moisture, and you own a product that never expires and becomes universally valuable during barter situations. Item 11. instant yeast and baking staples. If you store wheat, flour, salt, and fat but forget yeast, baking powder, or baking soda, your bread-making system collapses. Flat bread is possible, but fresh risen bread during a crisis becomes a massive morale booster. During the early 2020 shortages, yeast disappeared from many stores faster than toilet paper because millions of households suddenly began baking simultaneously. Vacuum-sealed instant yeast can last 2 to 4 years at room temperature and even longer frozen. Baking soda also works as a cleaner, deodorizer, and mild antacid when commercial products vanish. And just as shortages started spreading through another critical category, experienced preppers were already moving toward the next supply chain weakness quietly. The next weak point was canned protein, and experienced preppers know tuna is only the beginning. Serious buyers store salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies because tuna disappears first in almost every disruption. The overlooked varieties remain available longer and provide omega-3 fats, vitamin D, and calcium that become critical when fresh food disappears. Global tuna processing depends heavily on facilities in Thailand, Ecuador, and Papua New Guinea, all vulnerable to fuel spikes and shipping instability. When freight costs rise, retail prices follow quickly. Smart preppers rotate 12 to 24 cans per person across multiple fish varieties. Item 9. Raw honey. This is one of the only foods that practically never expires. Archaeologists have found edible honey inside Egyptian tombs thousands of years old. Its low moisture, acidic pH, and natural peroxide production prevent microorganisms from surviving. If it crystallizes, gentle heat restores it. Raw honey also functions like a compact medicine cabinet. Its antibacterial properties help with minor burns and wounds, it soothes sore throats, and it provides rapid glucose energy during exhaustion. More importantly, it adds comfort to long-term food storage, something many people underestimate psychologically. Bee populations have declined for years while import prices continue rising. Domestic production has not compensated fast enough. Secure large food-grade containers now, preferably from local beekeepers offering bulk pricing. Item 8. Freeze-dried eggs and meat. Freeze-drying removes almost all moisture while preserving nutrition, flavor, and texture. The result stores 25 to 30 years, weighs very little, and rehydrates within minutes. 1 can of freeze-dried eggs replaces dozens of fresh eggs, while freeze-dried chicken provides multiple meals in minimal space. Egg prices remain wildly unstable because avian influenza outbreaks repeatedly eliminate millions of laying hens. Every outbreak resets supply and pushes prices upward. Freeze-dried protein bypasses that volatility entirely. The initial cost is higher, but spread across decades of storage, the long-term math becomes extremely efficient. Item 7. Dried beans and lentils. Few foods provide more protein security per dollar. Black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, and lentils deliver complex carbohydrates, fiber, iron, potassium, magnesium, and major plant protein. Combined with rice or wheat, they form complete amino acid profiles comparable to animal protein. Lentil and chickpea production remains heavily concentrated in Canada and Australia while shipping depends on vulnerable freight routes. When shipping costs rise or nations accelerate reserve purchases, bean prices climb quickly. Stored with oxygen absorbers, dried beans remain nutritionally stable for 10 to 15 years. Item 6. Coconut oil and olive oil. Beginners almost always underestimate cooking fat. Fat delivers more than twice the energy of carbohydrates or protein, and without enough of it, physical and cognitive performance decline rapidly. Rice and beans alone are survivable. Rice and beans with stable fat become sustainable. Coconut oil resists rancidity far longer than most seed oils because of its saturated fat content. Properly stored jars last 2 to 5 years. Extra virgin olive oil provides cardiovascular benefits and, just as importantly, flavor that makes emergency food tolerable. Olive oil prices have already reached multi-decade highs after harvest failures in Spain and Italy. Coconut oil supply chains remain vulnerable to climate instability and shipping disruption. Buy both now, rotate every 12 to 18 months, and protect them from heat and direct light. Item 5. White rice in bulk. This is the foundation of serious long-term food storage worldwide. Properly sealed white rice lasts 25 to 30 years and pairs with nearly every protein and seasoning in a preparedness pantry. India controls roughly 40% of global rice exports and has repeatedly imposed export restrictions during domestic shortages. Each restriction drives futures higher, pushes retail prices upward, and accelerates panic buying. The practical move is simple. Buy 50-pound bags, seal them in mylar with oxygen absorbers, place them inside food-grade buckets, and label everything clearly. Item 4. Multivitamins and electrolyte supplements. During disruptions, micronutrient variety disappears first. Fresh produce vanishes while shelf-stable calories dominate the diet. Calories alone cannot maintain immune response, recovery, or stress resistance. Vitamin C, sodium, potassium, and magnesium deficiencies appear faster than most people realize. A quality multivitamin and bulk electrolyte powder become inexpensive nutritional insurance. Store a full year's supply for every household member in a cool, dry place and rotate before expiration. And once people realize food alone is not enough, the next panic wave always moves toward the most critical resource of all: water.